Made it to our first hotel, the Garland. Cheers, g'day. Looks pretty neat. Neat looking place, isn't it? It's pretty good. It's a nice looking hotel.
Yeah, it's trying to keep it really clean. So.
Oh, it just looks great. And everyone says this hotel is nice, but it is nice, isn't it? Oh, the bar. They've got guitars out here in the afternoon. And then they've got Richie Rich, the movie, on tonight. Yeah, straight ahead. Anyway, past the pool. Well, first impressions, it's a pretty nice looking place. No worries. No star phone. We did this in Singapore where we all squeezed in.
Yeah, go again, Phil.
Go again, quick. You can breathe out now. Oh. See, on entry we get a sanitised and sealed sticker. Nice. Okay. Nice bathroom. Lights. Double beds. Balcony with a view. Desk, big TV. This is alright. Not sure if all of us will fit in here.
We're going.
Yeah, I know. Well, for now, got a mini bar, fridge, coffee. Now, on the internet, we get to see this cupboard, and I've seen people tell you about the cupboard, but look at the wallpaper. The wallpaper's excellent. Safe.
No shower curtain?
Oh, no shower curtain. Hang on, we'll turn the lights on. So, shower, and look, ready? No shame, we're not using the shower. Look, they're going to see you in the reflection.
Come look in the toilet.
Come on, let's look at the soup bowl.
Come on.
Come on, soup bowl.
You in?
Don't you...
I can't.
See, I know what the hole's for. Oh, it's not too bad. I mean, we're not going to look at the toilet too long. Yeah, that's so you don't have to go in there. You can stick your...
I hope you didn't see that. I hope you don't.
No, I've already well equipped with that. Mirror.
We'll check out 12.
Oh, another mirror. What else do we get? Towels. Hairdryer. We all know I won't need that.
How funny is that?
Another mirror. Oh, the door does slide across.
Yeah, you got one of those.
So,
There's no rush.
hang on. Bed review.
I'll be alright.
That's bloody soft.
Oh my goodness.
That's alright. What's the pillows like?
Having that.
Yeah, you do. That's right.
Whoa. Those pillows are good. Look at them. They're like going to bounce back. So if you are staying here, they actually do have a laundromat. Not that everyone cares about laundromat, but if we're doing a hotel tour, got a laundromat. Looks like it's $3. Chuck your money in. Got free washing powder, I think it was. Yes, back here. Washing powder is free. Free soap. Free beer. Wish it was beer, but it's not. Also has a gym, which clearly I don't use. Wonder if anyone's in the gym. Have a quick look. All right, pick a machine. There it is, muscle man. So gym, TV. I did see you got towels and water and everything else as well. The equipment looks all brand new, which it would definitely look like that if I was using it. Oh, a stepper. Man. You know what? If you actually do work out, steps is harder than the treadmill. Anyway. And then we got the restrooms, but guess what? You ain't coming with me. Garland pool, day 2. Nice place. Pool's got really busy. Lots of people in the pool. Again. Wonder if it's warm. When you go in, you can tell me how warm the pool is.
Big thing going over in the corner.
Huh? Oh. It's got like that water feature. Drinks menu at the Garland.
Can we have a taster of the Ace cider? What do you reckon?
I'm not sure. Oh, I think I found it.
What?
The one that says happy ending. I'll have one. Oh, thank you.
Ice cream, so.
Is it? Well, that's not what I know it to be. You just steal my chips.
What?
Right. Chicken tenders and chips, aioli sauce, burgers. So lunch is good. Beers are good. Drinks are good. The Garland's good.
Except we've lost 1 month.
It's coming. So this burger is, it's not just good, it's freaking damn good. Really good burger. Do you like your burger, morning man? What time's lunchtime? Because morning ends at lunch. Always morning according to Lockie's t-shirt. There's even a restaurant called the Front Yard at the Garland. You can go there for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Garland's even got its own little store. Oops, sorry.
Mushrooms. Oh, I want that. I've literally had giant hours.
So the Garland has a bus. They like to call it a trolley, I believe is what they call it, but we know them as a bus, which will take you to Universal Studios or Universal Walk. It's pretty funky cool. This is excellent. It's a good looking bus. Wow. So it leaves on the hour, every hour, from 7 in the morning, I think, as it starts. And if you want to get on the bus, you can just go up here and scan your QR code and get yourself a seat on the bus. Who's had some sleep?
Me.
Did you? Oh, you got lucky.
And she had some sleep.
What are you doing? That's a pretty cool looking bus. And then you get these sort of vehicles in America. They're like your courier van. Very different to Australia's. Is that Universal over there?
Yep.
Gotcha. So I thought I'd take you for a bit of a wander around the Garland at night time, because it is quite nice at night. So if you're thinking of staying here, you know, what's it like at night? Well, tonight it's a little bit fresh, a bit cool. That's why I got my jumper on. But as you can see, it does look nice at night. I mean, the pool area is not going to be very busy. There's not going to be too many people in the pool at night because it's a bit cold. There's still a lot of people around in the pool. We'll go in there. They got a movie on tonight in the pool. Today. So I'm not sure what the movie is, but we'll go check it out. Hey, Lucky, what are you doing tonight? Walking around? Thanks, mate. Oh, I'm not going to tell you I recognise that movie. It's a movie, nevertheless. It has a long throw projector, I can tell you that. But I don't know what the movie's called. Nice outdoor gas fireplace. Anyhow, we're out of there. Look at that trees. Nicely lit up. There's the crew. Big day at Universal. Sitting down, having something to eat. Oop, and we go. So we'll go this way first. The lounge area. Oop, basketball on TV. Indoor gas fireplace. So just g'day, mate. So across there you got your restaurant. And walking towards me we have April. Ah yeah, here comes April. She doesn't want me to show her on camera, she just wants a card to get to the room. Look at the trolley at night. It's a bus, but they like to call it a trolley. It definitely looks good. Yeah, so I think I mentioned to you, you got your restaurant over there, but you can also eat out where the rest of the crew is as well. The poor guys on the gate thinking, oh, don't put me on camera. That's alright, no worries. I'll edit it out. Hi Shane.
Hello.
Can I help you?
No, it's radio, yeah.
Ah, look, Shane's following me around.
No, I was hiding you from you.
Oh, were you?
Trying to.
What have you done?
Hiding?
Hiding. Okay. So if you look on the internet, you get to see all those. I'm going to say they're tennis rackets. Old school tennis rackets, like when Venus and Tiana Williams were like little kids. They didn't even have them. They had good rackets. There you go. It's before their time. Well, the Garland. I wasn't so sure when we first chose to go here what it would be like, but it has got a really cool vibe. The people that work here are fantastic. The rooms are cleaned every day and it's done on time and it's done well. The fact that you can catch the bus to Universal Studios, everything about this place. In the evenings you can sit down, it's nice, they've got a pool, a bar, you can have a great meal, they've got good snacks, everything about it. It really is a good place to stay. And absolutely, I would stay here again.